Hey guys, in the car again, and just left the dentist, and my God, do I have to get dental work done? Oh my God, I can't believe it. How's everybody doing, by the way? I have got to get some dental work done, and my dentist is telling me I need braces and all of that, so I don't know why I'm smiling about it, but you know, it is what it is. All right, and I just left the Dollar Tree, and I'm headed into Goodwill since it's over here. So I'm gonna pop into Goodwill and see what they have really fast. But anyway, I left the dentist, and it's not one thing, it's another. But I was trying to find a new dentist up here. So I think I found a guy. He's good. And I'm excited about getting this work done. I mean, not excited about it. I don't know what else to say. It is what it is. If it has to be done, it has to be done. But it's a good day. It's a good day to be alive. The sun is shining, even though we're supposed to get snow tomorrow. My understanding is it's really supposed to be a pretty decent amount of snowfall tomorrow. So we'll see. Hope everyone's doing well. Let's pop into Goodwill really quickly. You can see it over my shoulder there. Let's pop in really fast and, you know, see what's what. I'll come back on in a minute. See you guys. Okay, so looks like Goodwill was kind of a bust today. So, and you know that's how it is sometimes. You go there and sometimes you find something and sometimes you don't. So today was one of those days. You know, I don't know. This Goodwill is relatively new, and I don't know what their schedule is with regards to putting stuff out. I mean, some places you go, they just put stuff out all during the day. They're just putting stuff out, and maybe it's the time, because it's like 3-something in the afternoon here. So maybe they wait until the evening. I don't know, but I gotta get to another Goodwill to see what they have. But maybe today I can get to one. I don't know. Anyway, I had to, I was just saying, I went to the dentist today. My teeth are shifting. My jaw is shifting. So I have to get that fixed. And it'll happen over time. And so, hey guys, that's just the way it is. But could have been worse. Could have been worse. Anyway, I am having a good day today. Besides having gone to the dentist and heard that news, it's a good day. it is really a good day. I hope everybody saw my video that I uploaded just a couple of days ago about the entryway, spring entryway makeover. I got that mirror from Goodwill. I mean, I didn't haul that mirror, but I got this white mirror from Goodwill. It's bevel glass and what have you, and I only paid $10 for it. I think that was a great haul. So I just kind of spruced it up a little bit, cleaned it, washed it down, and put it in the entryway. Just replaced the mirror that we already had, put in the entryway, and put some flowers in one of my blue and white vases. Oh my God, the blue and white vase that I put in the hallway, that's new. I didn't haul that one. We just happened to be going into a store the other day. Hubby and I were going into the store, Ocean State Job Lot, and we were just looking for some snacks and stuff for our Friday card game and a game night, and I saw a blue and white vase back there on the shelf, and I just looked at hubby. He knew what I was thinking. Like, I know she's all over that vase. Sure enough, I was all over that vase, and I picked that up, and that was a good buy. I love it. I love it. I have to do a collab with somebody on blue and white. I know Elle from Easy Living with Elle and I have been chatting about doing a collab, a blue and white collab. So we have to kind of make that happen. Elle, we have to make that happen. Anyway, just out here riding along the streets of Connecticut, just running some errands after that dental appointment. But you know, it's all good. It's all good. The weather's like 42 degrees, but it's supposed to be like snow tomorrow, so we'll see. Oh, I'm coming up on that consignment shop that I went in the other day, and that's up here on my right, but I don't think I'll be stopping in there. Her stuff wasn't bad. It's just I need some time to really pick through it. And consignment prices, if you don't know the difference between consignment and thrift stores, consignment items are actually owned by individuals who bring their stuff in to a store, and there's an agreement between the consignment, the owner, and the owner of the store, and the consignment owner of the article, and they just agree on the price that they want to sell it for, or the least amount that the owner of the owner of the article will take, and they priced it that way. So you will find that those items are, in my opinion, they are a little bit more expensive than thrift store items. But you can also find some very nice things at a consignment store. I remember one store that was open. I got a Burberry coat, brand new with tags, at a store, and I don't know how it got there, what the problem was with the owner or whatever, but it was brand new, and brand new Burberry raincoat. I still have it. Some designer bags, you know, gently used designer bags and shoes and things like that. So you will find those kinds of things at a consignment store versus a thrift store, which can be, you know, anything, any price. But I find that consignment stores, the prices are a lot more expensive at a consignment store. When I went in last week to that consignment store and bought those things that I bought, the lady had to look it up to see what the owner, the least amount she would take on that teapot. And so we were negotiating back and forth on it. And, you know, I still think if I'd seen that teapot at a thrift store, I definitely could have gotten it cheaper. But I was at the consignment store and I loved it. Thing is, you know, you never know when you're going to see another piece like that again, because when you're out at these thrift stores and consignment stores, the pieces you see there are kind of unique. So that's some of the differences between a thrift store and a consignment store. Have you guys ever been to a consignment store before? Comment below in the comments if you've been to a consignment store and what your opinions are of consignment stores versus thrift stores, and let me know what your experiences have been. Good, bad, which do you prefer? I like the whole experience. I'll tell you, I like the whole experience of the find, and finding a good bargain. So I like that whole thing. Anywho, I am going to end this, I think, because, as I said, my Goodwill trip was really a bust. I didn't really find anything, and that's okay too. It was just nice chatting with you guys, just about random stuff. I hope everybody is doing well, and we'll get together and we'll do this again. I'm going to do a live, I think, because I want to hear some of the things that you want to know about me, and hopefully I can answer some of those questions. So maybe I'll do a live or Q&A, or some kind of get to know me kind of thing. How would that go? Would you guys like that? Yeah, maybe I'll do that. Let me know. Let me know in the comments what your desires are, and I will see if I can live up to those expectations. All right, guys. So thanks again for riding with me. Coming up on the house really soon, and I appreciate your support. Always appreciate your support. Thanks for riding with me again, and I will see you all in my next production. Bye, guys.